Okay, so Demo3 is all about showcasing the use of generating textures and applying them to existing models in real time. So in Demo 2, the way it worked is it was using the textures generated previously in this main scene, and it was using them at random. And Demo 3 doesn't use saved textures, rather it allows you to create those textures in real time. So for example, let's take one of these wooden planks here. If I middle click on them, you can see that the current texture of it pops up, the name of the object, which is step, and also the material name, which is lightwood. Now, if let's say I wanted to change this texture, so let's say I wanted to, I don't know, change it to gray wooden texture. So if I press process now, it's going to send the API request and it's going to download the image when the request is approved and processed and all that stuff. So once this is done, you can see here that this is the image which was generated, and there it is applied on this step. Now, let's say you might be thinking to yourself, well, if you were to do that manually to every step, they would all look different because they'll be generated each time, and it'll be very time consuming. Well, I made it so that you can press the next game object and you can apply the previous texture, or you can press Control C, then press the next object and press Control V. So that will make it a bit quicker here, as you can see. But the best thing you can do to apply it on a mass scale is by Control C to copy the materials from this plank and apply it to all similar game objects by pressing Control F. As you can see here, it applied it to all the different game objects that are similar of nature to this one. Now let's say I wanted to change. See, this game object here, it has more than one material. So if I press on it, a little window comes up showcasing the material that this game object consists of. And it also wants me to input which material I want to modify. So in this case, I want to modify the light one. So if I press 1 and then press enter, it selects the light material, which is this one here. And I want to apply the gray wood. So I just press previous. And now I want to apply that to all the similar things, all the similar game objects. So I just press Control and then Control F, which applies it to all of these. Now what I can do is also go back here, press 0 because I want to modify the dark wood now, and let's just say dark brown bark texture. So let's process that. Let's see what it comes up with any second now. Okay, so that actually looks not too bad. Yeah, looks all right. That's what I wanted. So now you can also see it. Yeah, so it worked, which is pretty nice. Yeah, you can do that with everything. For example, there's a rock there. I just say rock, oops, seamless texture. So I just do process. So it's processing. Let me just fly over there real quick while it's doing that, just so I can see it a bit better when it's done. Okay, there we go. That's not too bad of a rock, so I like it. Control C, Control F to put it onto every rock. And oh look, there's a little settlement here. Let's change this to a tarp texture. Tarp seamless texture. Now you can be more precise with the prompts, and you can really make it look to what you really want the AI to create, but I'm just kind of being a bit less precise here, and that's actually a pretty cool one that would work. But I'll also show you that you don't have to apply the same texture to all of the game objects. For example, here I'm just gonna apply a different tarp texture to this tent, and there, that's fine there. So yeah, so this scene, or this demo, was mainly to showcase the use of using generating textures in real time to apply to assets. Like this would be great for prototyping, just to put something really quick together. And yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. Yeah, so this is Demo 3.